I have a stud finder, the Zircon stud finder, and I'm going to show you how to find the stud with this stud finder. As you can see, it's marked right here with, this is the edge finder, and I'm going to show you how that works right now. Right now I have it for stud scan, not deep scan, but just on the regular stud scan. So check the description part of the page for more information about this product, and I'm just going to go ahead and find a stud. Okay, so I'm going to take the stud finder, press it against the wall. All right, press the button. All right, I'm holding it down and I'm just gonna slide it along the wall, right? You see how it came close like that? I'm gonna do it again. You see how it comes up, it sees it coming, it senses that it's coming, and when it gets to the peak, it will show you like right there that you're on the edge of the stud, and this laser will light up, and that's where you make the mark for, this edge of the stud. And as I keep on going right here, it's going to go off. Do you see that? It just went off. And when I come back towards this area, it'll start to peak right there. And then once the light goes on, that's the edge on the other side of the stud. So I make a mark right here and a mark right here. And in the middle is where the center of the stud is. And that's where I'm going to drill. Okay, let me know if you have any questions about the Zircon stud finder. Don't forget to check the description part of the page. Thanks a lot.